everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent other users on your computer from adding new profiles in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Regedit, so R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a Registry Editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it is very simple. You just would go ahead and select the File tab and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Actual range should be kept to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location either on your computer or external device. It's fine with me, doesn't really matter. And once you have it saved, you just go ahead and select the Save button. And if you ever need to import it back in, you just would select File and then Import, and navigate to the file location again wherever you saved it, and then you would just import it back in. That would restore the registry back. So pretty straightforward. And like I said, ready to begin, so go ahead and start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. So go double click on that. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Double click on the policies folder now. It should be a Microsoft folder. Double click on that. And now there may be an Edge folder listed under here. If not, you want to go right click on the Microsoft folder, select New, and then select Key. Name this key Edge, so E-D-G-E. Hit Enter on your keyboard. And if you need to pause the video at this time, you can see our file path is up at the top of the Registry Editor window here. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under up to this point, and we just created this Edge folder again, so we right clicked on the Microsoft folder, selected New, and then Key, and we named it Edge. So again, very straightforward. And now on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select New, and then select the word 32-bit value. We're going to name this value Browser Add Profile Enabled. I will have this in the description of the video, as well as I'll probably zoom in on this on the screen here, so there's no way to really mess it up. Again, Browser Add Profile Enabled. You feel free to copy it from my description and paste it in if you're more comfortable doing that as well. Hit Enter on the keyboard to save it as you see it on my screen. First letter of each word should be capital, no spaces in between any of these words here. So now if we were to double click on this value that we created, you want to just make sure it's set to 0. So numerically it should be 0 by default since we just created it. Base should be hexadecimal, select OK. And if you ever want to undo this, you could always just right click on the Edge folder and delete it, assuming there was nothing else under the Edge folder and you just created it yourself. You wouldn't even have to go back to the backup. You could just take care of it right here and you would accomplish the same thing. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And you will need to restart your computer for it to take effect. I'm not sure if I said that or not. So again, restart your computer and then you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.